Now imagine a similar woodworking montage. Alright, check this out. I have this piece of wood I'm using for a fingerboard, and you can see that it's not actually a perfect rectangle. Down here, it's about 2.5 inches wide, and up here, it's a little bit more. It's probably like 2 5/8 inches wide. And I want to find the center of this piece of wood. So, of course, I could measure here and find the center and mark a dot, measure somewhere else, find the center, make a dot, and connect it, or I can use my center square. I can just simply lock it right on there, grab my pencil, put it in that hole. There's my center line. Intentional product placement. Ignore this part because it uses CNC, and we all know that that's not real woodworking. I put the frets in off camera because I've already made that video a whole bunch of times. They gave me this tool for free to see if I like it, and it works great. It's pretty good. I can't believe he's gonna make us watch. I can't believe he's gonna make us watch more CNC. Unsubscribe! Even more intentional product placement. So whenever I do these types of guitars, especially with switches up here, they're difficult to wire and run the wires through. So I've sort of planned for it. I'll show you. I'll take it apart in reverse. But you can see here, I just making sure I can do all this before I screw it down, or glue it down rather, that I can get all these wires where I need them. And so I have to run all the wires down here, but then I have to run the two leads back up here, and then from here a ground and the master lead to the output. So you'll see what I did here is to remove the top. I actually pre-snaked all the wires. So I have my end pin jack here, and I have the wires sort of, I just have them like knotted up there so I can go ahead and sand and everything, but I could pull those out even with a pair of pliers or something if I had to, and I have a little staple just holding that wire in place. Obviously I have way more wire than I need. And then I have my two lead wires running up to where the switch goes, as well as my return wires here. Again, way long. So now I can go and I can just glue this thing down. And the only wires I'm going to have to worry about running are a ground wire to my bridge, and then for my pickups, which are easy. And I don't have to worry about trying to snake a wire through here at these tight angles and stuff. I should have insulated the wires, but I forgot, so I had to do it at the end. It was a little bit hard. Product placement. One, two, three, four. There's a whole separate video about the pickups, and you can go watch it right here. Here. There's a video about the tremolo. When I proclaimed a few months ago that it was bass season here at New Perspectives Music, this one wasn't even on the horizon at the time. It's just all these other basses I've been building and filming and sharing with you here on this channel. And so I was really excited and happy to throw this one in the mix. I like doing semi-hollows. It's a little bit different than a lot of the stuff I do, and I love having really cool customers that get really cool basses made. There's nothing else like this out there. NewPerspectivesMusic.com. Be good. If you enjoyed this video, you can like, share, and subscribe. And if you're of the financial means, you can support my Patreon. Or contact me directly about custom builds. I'll even write a song for you. You probably don't want that.